Now let's take a look at our embedded whiteboard and some of the convenient tools you can access there. I can get to the whiteboard by hitting this discussion button right here, or in the side toolbar, the second button from the top, that's also the embedded whiteboard. And now that I'm here, I have a selection of writing tools and other tools right on this bottom bar. Let's start with the writing and selection tools right here. If I choose a writing tool and then do a touch and hold, it will allow me to change color and thickness. And then I can annotate on the screen using that tool, like so. I also have access to a highlighter, and then I have this, it looks like a lasso. This is actually a selection tool. When I choose that, it allows me to move individual items around the screen. I also have an eraser tool, which allows me to erase either certain segments, or if I just want everything to go away, I can hit this clear all screen and clear all the notes from the slide. Right over here on this side, I've got a tool that allows me to import a picture, and I can put that on the whiteboard as a whiteboard page. Or what I can also do is I have a text box tool that allows me to tap the screen, put up a text box, and then the touch keyboard appears and I can type whatever I want. And then when that's done, I can use the selection tool to also move the text box to another location on the screen. Over here, I have a shape building tool, and I can choose a color and a shape and actually draw a shape on the screen. And then over on this side, this allows me to actually change the background of the whiteboard itself. The way to make that happen is I've got this plus button, which is the add page button, but when I do a touch and hold like this, it allows me to choose a color, and it also allows me to choose a pattern, such as graph paper.